If you're a teenager, or you know one, who's dealing with overwhelming thoughts or habits that can't be controlled, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into how OCD affects teenagers, the signs, causes, and how it can be treated. So, let's get started. Firstly, what exactly is OCD? OCD stands for Obsessive Compulsive Disorder. It's a mental health condition where people get caught in a cycle of obsessions and compulsions. Obsessions are intrusive, unwanted thoughts that just won't go away. Compulsions are the actions people take to try and get rid of those thoughts. Sounds pretty overwhelming, right? Well, it is. And it's even more complicated for teenagers. Teens might show symptoms like washing their hands or checking locks multiple times. Fears about germs or something bad happening. Or they may also show perfectionism, needing things to be just right, like rewriting homework over and over. Now, you might be wondering, why does OCD show up during the teen years? The thing is, it's a mix of genetics, brain structure, and environmental factors. OCD usually develops between the ages of 10 and 18, with about 1 to 3% of teens experiencing it. It's a vulnerable time in your life, your brain is still growing, and so is your sense of identity. The brain is super sensitive to stress at this age, which makes it the prime time for OCD to surface. But here's the important part, OCD is treatable, and you don't have to handle it alone. The most common and effective treatments for OCD are therapy and, sometimes, medication. Specifically, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, with a technique called exposure and response prevention, ERP, is considered. ERP helps you face your fears without giving in to the compulsions. It's kind of like training your brain to respond differently. There's also medication, usually SSRIs, which can help balance out the chemicals in your brain that might be contributing to OCD. So, if you're a teen dealing with OCD, or you know someone who is, remember, you're not alone, and it's totally okay to reach out for help. If you're looking for support or you're ready to talk to someone, we're here to help at OCDMantra. You can book a trial therapy session with us, the link is in the description.